Guys, this might sound a bit random, but I've actually found the first toothbrush that genuinely feels like a dentist's clean at home. It's called the RANVOO AirJet II, and honestly, after testing it more electric toothbrushes than I care to admit, including the Philips Sonicare that I use now, this one really surprised me. So stick around to find out more. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and do all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, if you're anything like me, you've probably been through half a dozen toothbrushes to find the one that kind of really does it for you. Some vibrate too much, some feel weak, some don't even get your teeth actually feeling that clean. I mean, I'd pretty much given up on finding the one that didn't leave something behind. But this AirJet II from RANVOO kind of does things a little bit different to the norm. It feels like it's doing more than just buzzing around in your mouth, and it uses some clever technology to actually put my Philips Sonicare to shame. Now guys, before we get into it, RANVOO reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this AirJet II and to give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this rather sleek box open and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you've got another two boxes inside. In the first one, you have three brush heads. You've got one soft one for delicate gums, one balanced multi-effect one, and a diamond whitening one. Then guys, in the other box, you get some paperwork, and you know what? Always worth reading the paperwork. You also get the toothbrush itself, and you get a magnetic wall charger that doubles as a holder, which is pretty neat because I just leave mine standing on the side of the sink, and you know what? It always gets knocked over. So guys, I have to say everything feels nice and premium. But you know what? Here's the cool part. This isn't just another sonic toothbrush. The AirJet II actually uses what they call Superbubble technology. It combines sonic vibration with a high-speed airjet. So while it's brushing, it's also firing out something like 200,000 micro bubbles a second that flushes out plaque and food debris from between your teeth. Think of it as a toothbrush and a water flosser, like they've had a baby or something, because that's basically what it is. It's almost like you're getting that combined result. And guys, the results are noticeable. Honestly, my teeth feel super smooth, right? Like I've had them professionally cleaned. And that's not just marketing talk. This thing's been independently tested for 100% plaque removal by dental research centres. And what's more, there are 4 modes built right in. You've got foam, soft, clean and white, and switching between them is super easy. You've got this clean, minimal display on the handle that lights up as you cycle through each mode with a quick tap. It feels really intuitive. No fiddly buttons, no confusing icons. Everything is just clear and simple. And guys, that will help you to know exactly what mode you're in. And you know what? It's even got a timer. Now guys, that foam mode, honestly, that's the one that stood out to me. It's designed specifically for sensitive gums, and instead of that harsh vibration you get from most electric toothbrushes, it uses this gentle 12-degree sweeping motion. Now combine that with the ultra soft bristles and it somehow manages to get deep between your teeth while still feeling really smooth and comfortable. I've tried plenty of brushes that leave your gums tingling or even sore afterwards, and you know what? This one just doesn't. And it's the first brush I've used where I can finish brushing my teeth and feel dentist clean, but my gums still feel completely normal. It's that perfect balance between power and comfort that makes it feel a bit smarter than your average toothbrush. Also guys, the handle feels solid, like it's proper high end. It's made from low absorption material and it doesn't get gross or chalky after time like some do. And the battery, well, you get up to 60 days on a single charge. So you know what? There isn't even any need to pack a charger for those trips. And one thing I really do appreciate is there's a travel lock so it doesn't start vibrating in your bag, which, trust me, isn't a good thing.
So guys, there you have it. I wasn't really expecting to be impressed by a toothbrush. This RANVOO AirJet II has changed my morning routine. It feels more like a mini deep clean session than just brushing your teeth. And with the packaging, performance and accessories, it kind of makes a really nice gift.
And guys, with Black Friday and Christmas just around the corner, this is definitely worth you taking a look at. And if you want to be kept up to date with the latest discounts and pricing, then just check out the website. And guys, this RANVOO AirJet II is suitable for all of your family members. It comes in pearl white, grey, steel blue and velvet purple, so suitable for any member of your family.
Honestly, if you use this regularly, the clean that you're going to get, hopefully, will cut down the amount of times you need to go and have your teeth professionally cleaned. So you know what? Hopefully, those savings will justify it. Guys, I'll leave any links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to RANVOO for sending me this very capable toothbrush to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.